Hi friends, thank you all so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Alyssa, and for today's Christmas in July project, I decided to put a little twist on one of my past projects, this one here. This was what I called a surprise envelope because you can remove the whole lid section. You've got a pocket here for some goodies, so I just have a little mini album in there, but I'll link the tutorial for this one down below. I can't believe it's already been a year since I posted this tutorial, but for today, we are going to make a Christmas surprise envelope, and I used some vellum just because I think it's cute, and you can kind of get a little sneak peek at what's inside, but this one's the exact same idea. So I just added another bow to my lid there, and I put Merry and Bright down in the corner. You can see my vellum has some snowflakes on it. I just used another Velcro dot to close this, and you can just pull out this whole entire thing. And for my pocket, I just put a tag and another one. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And this could be a journaling card or a little photo mat. Maybe you could put a photo of you and the recipient or something like that on here. And that's a little bow that I made with a pipe cleaner. So just some flat goodies there. And then this in and of itself is such a cute little pocket too. So I like how you can kind of see the paper inside as well. So I hope this is another fun, quick, and easy project that you can mass produce for the holidays. I gave a bunch of different ideas for flat gifts that you could give in my last video. So I'm going to link that down below too as well. But you can just slide this back in and close it like so. And this is what the back looks like. So go ahead and grab some paper and we can create one of these envelopes together. The paper that I used for my sample there, and the paper I'm going to use today, is from this paper pad, which I found at a garage sale. And it's the same garage sale that I've been talking about in some of my previous videos if you watched some of my videos in the past. But I found a lot of Christmas paper as well. So this paper is double-sided. You don't have to use double-sided if you don't have it. But we're just going to start off with a 6x6, and we're just going to score it 1/2 inch on 3 sides. So pretty much the 2 sides here and the bottom. And you want to leave the top alone. So it's like we're creating a little pocket. So I'll do 1/2 inch here, turn it, do 1/2 inch at the bottom, turn it again, and do 1/2 inch on my last side. And maybe you can see better on this side, but I'm pretty much going to cut out these little squares in the corner here. So now it looks like this, and we are going to fold those tabs in. I'm just trying to decide which way I want to fold them. I think I'll do it this way. So this is going to be the pocket, basically. And then we're going to grab 1 sheet of vellum. This is 5 inches by 5.5. And this vellum has snowflakes as well. And I'm just going to glue this first to the back of the bottom tab. So I'm just going to open that up and pop some glue here. and then kind of just place it over top of the vellum paper. Just make sure too that, you know, these tabs can go over your vellum. Mine's kind of a bit too wide actually, so I need to just trim off the tiniest bit. All right, let me slide this back behind the bottom tab and try that again. Okay, that is a bit better. So now I'm just going to glue down my 2 tabs here on the side. Okay, so that's the vellum part. And let's just set this to the side and grab one last sheet. This one here is 4 7/8 of an inch wide by 12 inches long. And I love this paper. I think these are supposed to be like sugar cookies. So cute. Anyway, I'm probably going to flip it over, just maybe you can see better on this side, but we're just going to hold it at the 12-inch side and score at 2.5 and 9.5. Just like this. So this and this, they're the same size, so it really doesn't matter, but you just want to fold those over. And this piece is going to be, well, the lid and then the little pocket that is attached to it. So at this point, you can glue down your pocket just as it is and glue the sides down, or you can get a scrap paper, or I guess just a little scrap really, and let's see. I'm just going to cut this in half, and then I'm going to fold it in half like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you can kind of give yourself a little more space this way, and then you just glue it to the edge there. I'll do the same thing for this one. All right, so I'm gonna glue this little tab to the back of my pocket here. And I'll do the same for this side. And then I will glue both of these little tabs and just bring my pocket back up. Close that up. Okay, so this whole piece I made a little less than 5 inches wide, just so it would fit inside of the little pocket we made here. So you should actually try to put this inside of here first. and just make sure that it actually fits before you glue your pocket down. Unless by some miracle I can just shimmy that inside. Okay, I mean it's fitting. It fits fine. So there we have it. Now we can just find things to fill our pockets with and do a little bit more decorating. I'm actually wondering if this little granola bar will fit inside. It's really thin. Obviously, it's a kind thin bar, but maybe if you have like a thin granola bar like this, or chocolate bar, or candy bar, maybe that can fit. I just want this to dry. And then I'm just gonna grab another little set here of some nail wraps. These are nice and flat. Maybe I'll stick them back here. Bring back my little nail file from my last video too. I don't know, just some different ideas other than journaling cards or tags, which there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but in case you don't have a crafty friend or you want to give this to somebody else who's not so crafty, those are some other ideas. You could put photos, a greeting card, obviously cash, gift cards. Okay, let me see if this actually fits, because here I am loading up this pocket and I don't even know if it will work, but it's working, you guys. Might take a little bit, but I mean, it fits. And obviously it won't be flat. You'll have some bulk there, but there we have it. So you could put like little hot chocolate packs, maybe some smaller pouches of fruit snacks or some type of food. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a Velcro dot for that and just pop it onto my lid there and bring it down. Maybe I should just take some of this stuff out first and do it while it's flat. All right. So there's that. And then for the lid, at least for my first one, I just took my circle punch and punched out the edges here, or the corners. You can corner round it or do whatever kind of design you want for your lid. So let me just corner round it this time. And then you can tie a bow or even put like a regular Christmas bow. You know, the ones I'm talking about, like right onto the lid or something like that. You could even get some twine or some other ribbon and tie it around here this way, or this way and this way. I think I'm just going to grab some stickers to decorate. Life is short, eat Christmas cookies. That is a quote I can live by. Maybe I'll just do something like this. Put a little gingerbread house here too. I'm just gonna glue this sticker on here. I don't know, I feel like it needs a bow up here. Or even just some trim along the edge too would be cute. But I'm just gonna tie a bow quickly with this silvery ribbon. And then I'm gonna pop some of my tacky glue on. if it wants to come out. And place that over top. All right, so here's my next envelope. And you could even maybe put Christmas cookies in here if you individually wrap them or something like that. I mean, my little kind bar is nice and snug in there. So let's just open this up one more time. And it's just such a fun little interactive envelope. So thank you for joining me in making this fun little surprise envelope in a Christmas theme. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you all very soon, so happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.